chainsaw mill, that cut would have taken me probably 10 minutes just running the saw. And the chainsaw hogs out. That gap there that the saw removes is called the kerf. So that thickness is less than 1/8 of an inch with the bandsaw, and it's 3/8 of an inch or so, almost a 1/2 inch with every chainsaw cut. So for every cut, every 2 cuts we would have made with a chainsaw, we would have lost 3/4 inch of this board to sawdust. And with 3 cuts of this, we're losing maybe 1/4 inch, 5/16. So it's pretty substantial. I'm trying to figure out how thick I want to make these boards. I'm trying to make them as thin as possible without going too thin. So I think this is the mark here. I think we're right at 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's a 1/2 inch. After we plane them and they shrink just a little bit from drying out, that'll put us at maybe 7/16 minus. So a hair under 7/16 maybe. I think that's where we have to go. So that's that. So you can see this, these lines here is what I'm going to cut next, and that will, and then we'll be left with a square, what's called a cant. It's a cant, so you carve like kind of the largest square out of the log that you can, and then everything will be dimensional from there. So next step is to flip the board, and then I'll square these sides up. But before I do that, I have a little bit of math to do because I changed my mind. I need to make those boards one click on. Here, let me show you this. So you can see, I've got tape on this, and that's breaking that wheel into thirds. Every third moves the saw a 1/2 inch. So one full crank moves it 1.5 inches. And I was hoping that if I went 1/3 of a crank, that would leave me a wide enough board to plane down. But it doesn't take into account the kerf of the blade every time. So it only moves the saw 1.5 inches, but then there's, every time I run the saw through the board, I lose that 1/16 plus of wood. So anyways, the short story is I have to go 1/3 plus 1 for every board that I cut to get the thickness that I want. And I measured this out to every third, just to every third. So we're going to do every third plus 1, so that's going to take just a little bit of figure in, and then I'll start rolling the log. Does that make sense? Every third plus 1?
Yes.
Asking the camera.
The camera woman really tries her best to understand all this language.
Well, it's funny, I'm like working.
You're doing a great job.
I'm processing, and then I'm trying to inform, and that's like 3 jobs I'm doing at the same time.
And you're trying to make people that don't understand, like myself, understand. You do a really good job at trying to bring us along. Thanks.
Okay.
Should I turn the situation off?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't need to
Maybe
talk-
we'll just watch Mike figure it out. Is that
Scratch my head
you
for-
guys
for
appreciate doing
half
that?
hour.
Okay, go.
We should have started filming on the second log, and then.
Well, we can still do that.
Okay. How do I want to do this?
Also, here's our rig to bring logs down from where we have them stored right now up on the road. And La Bamba, that's what we call him. We just got a new radiator. He's ready to go.